Well, there are many debris all around, but I don't see fallen trees or flipped around cars, and it's amazing. It's really amazing. You can see sun in the distance. Yes, this is sun. So all the typhoon was around 5-6 hours. Oh, it's really amazing. Yes, and this is a piece of blue sky. Oh, but there is some damage around. It's not very safe to go around this thing. By the way, this is the Hyogo Prefectural Art Museum. So I will try to go now to Osaka Bay and to see what is the situation there. Oh, there is a beautiful rainbow. And all the ships were quite safe, no damage. And again, very, very beautiful sunset above Kobe. It's really beautiful. By the way, I can hear some ambulances in the background, but I really hope there were no fatalities this time. The typhoon was very intensive, but relatively short, only maybe 4 or 5 hours of strong winds. And also the rain wasn't so extremely strong. Oh, there will be need some good cleaning tomorrow. The remnants of Jelawat typhoon. Quite beautiful actually.